everybody, I'm Michael here with MarvelTech.com. Today we're going to get into a very basic tutorial on how to change some minor attributes on your desktop. So I'm not saying that this is a spectacular setup at all, but just knowing these simple tricks can help you with, arranging to your desire your desktop. So today we're going to be learning number one, how to change program icon size on your desktop in taskbar. Number two, how to add personalized gadgets onto your desktop. Number three, how to use a preset and unique theme. And that's going to be all for today. So if you want this wallpaper, first of all, then all you have to do is go to marveltech.com and you can get this nice little wallpaper that has just been designed by myself. But anyways, moving on to the video. Number one, how to change program icon size on your desktop. First off, we're going to click on our desktop to ensure command concentration. Now we're going to click on control while moving up to increase our size and moving down to decrease our size. Now there is a limit, so don't be afraid and think that your your programs will disappear. And a little warning here is that take caution if you have a lot of programs, because when applying this step your icons will be arranged as needed, as you saw here. So you see how the icons are arranged now. When I go super big and go back, they were changed around. So the more folders you have, the more rearranging you'll have to do. But there is a little tip for this. All you do is highlight all of the icons you need to move, click on one and drag it down anywhere you need it, and uh, boom, boom, wherever you need them. The next step, we're going to be doing the same thing but on our taskbar. Now we cannot completely customize the size here. It's bigger, small, but still it's a trade-off that you have. So we're going to click on our taskbar and select properties. When the window appears, let's see, did I click on that correctly? When the window appears, we're going to click on taskbar, use small icons, and we are going to navigate around taskbar buttons. If you want your taskbar to always make space, then you're going to click on combine when taskbar is full. If you always want, like I have here, for your icons to be stretched across your taskbar, then you'll simply click on never combine. You can test each one of those out and see how they work for you. But now our setup right now is going to be use small icons and combine when taskbar is full, and click on OK. So now you can see that all of my icons have went back to being very small, and I have much more space than I did before. You can follow that same process in order to make them big again. Now we're going to be adding a gadget to our desktop. What we're going to do is right click on our screen, go down to gadgets, and we can take a look at the variety of gadgets that are available to us. Brief summary, calendar, clock, Windows Media Center, currency, weather. Just look around for what you want. I personally like weather and calendar, and I usually have them on my desktop at all times. However, for some reason my recording software does not pick up any of these gadgets, so you will not be able to see what gadgets I'm talking or looking at until you apply this step for yourself. Please know that you can remove this gadget at any time and without hassle by simply hovering over it once it's installed on your computer and clicking on exit. But now to install one, click on any one you want, or right click it I should say, and just click on add. Exit out that window, and within 2 to 3 seconds you should see that a gadget appears. So now I'm actually dragging one around my computer, but as I said, you will not see it. So it reads Thursday 7th June 2012 and has a nice little appearance behind it. I'm going to X that out, and now you know how to add a gadget. Now we're going to simply use a preset theme. A warning for this step is that it will change your desktop background wallpaper, so make sure if you really like your wallpaper to have it saved so you can change it back once you've applied the step. So click on your Windows Start button and head over to Control Panel, and once Control Panel is up, we're going to click on Appearance and Personalization. On personalization, you want to click on Change the Theme, and we're going to go down to arrow themes. So now we have a basic selection, and you can customize your own. If you want to go ahead and toy around with that, you can, but that does take up a lot of time and creativity, but feel free to do that if you want. Not so much creativity, but just a lot of thinking. So now we have a selection from architecture, characters, landscapes, nature scenes, United States, and more. So you can feel free to select each one and see how they work for you. But another warning, besides the fact that it will remove your wallpaper, is that this is not meant for speed optimization. If you need your computer to be running fast at all times and it isn't a top-notch hardware computer, then please know that this will greatly reduce the speed of your computer. However, if you can handle a slight reducement, then go ahead and use this step. So now we're just going to click on architecture, and please know it will take 10 to 15 seconds to apply. Sorry about the wait, folks. So now you see that we have a new wallpaper and it replaced mine, but now we have a new layout for our taskbar, and when we click on our windows, we will see that also our windows have had a change in theme. So now you can just you know, select which theme you think is nice. I honestly think this theme is pretty nice and unique, but I always like my own wallpapers, so I'll just go ahead and change that. However, you get the gist of it. So, thanks for watching this tutorial. I believe I've covered everything I've promised you. Once again, this is Michael from MarvelTech.com, and stay tuned for more tech tutorials.